Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to laptop, then watch movies and shows. See, I will show you how we can set up this. See, this is a Google TV streamer 4K device. Here I have connected USB power cable. This is the HDMI output port. Here we need to connect HDMI cable. So let me connect. Okay, done. Take other end of this HDMI cable. This HDMI cable we need to connect to laptop. See, here I will be using this video capture unit. So this video capture unit I am going to connect to this HDMI cable. So let me connect here. Done. After that, this video capture unit we can connect to laptop. Let me connect to laptop. Okay, done. Then in laptop we need to install this software OBS Studio. You can download from here for Windows. I already installed this software. Let me open. See, this is the OBS Studio. Here we need to create one source. Here you can see sources section. Click on this plus icon. From this list select video capture device. If you want to rename, you can rename here. Then click OK. Here from this device drop down we need to select USB 3.0 capture. Then select OK. Done. Then take a remote. Just press this home button. See. So this way we can connect. Next I will show you how we can make it full screen. We just need to right click here. Then set window projector preview. Then maximize. See. Okay, so this way we can connect Google TV streamer 4K device to laptop. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.